In the depths of the earth lies the story of coal miners' heroes who power our world with their hard work and resilience. Let's explore their journey. In these perilous caves, donkeys play a vital role, helping miners transport coal through narrow, unstable tunnels. These resilient animals navigate the darkness, carrying heavy loads, and are true partners in the miners' tough journey. After a long and grueling day, the miners now make their way out, using minicarts to transport themselves and the coal. These carts, running on tracks, provide a quicker and safer escape from the depths of the mine. The minicart rolls out of the dark cave, carrying the fruits of relentless labor from deep within the earth.